I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage rolls. First, select a large, firm head of cabbage, ideally weighing about 3 pounds. You'll want one with intact outer leaves for the best results. We'll then prepare these leaves to be pliable, making them simple to roll. Next, we'll mix a delicious filling and carefully assemble each roll. Finally, we'll simmer them in a rich sauce until they are perfectly tender and ready to enjoy. This method simplifies the process for a satisfying meal. To prepare your cabbage leaves, begin by carefully removing the core from the bottom of the head. This helps the leaves detach more easily. You can then boil the whole cabbage in a large pot of salted water for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the outer leaves soften. Another simple method is to freeze the entire cabbage overnight. As it thaws, the leaves become very flexible. Gently peel off the individual leaves, trimming any thick veins for easier rolling. Now let's create the delicious filling. In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 pounds of ground meat. A mix of beef and pork works wonderfully. Add 1 cup of cooked rice, making sure it's completely cooled. Stir in 1 small chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 egg to bind everything together. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of paprika for extra flavor. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. To assemble, lay a softened cabbage leaf flat and place 2 to 3 tablespoons of filling near the stem end. Fold in the sides of the leaf, then roll it up tightly from the bottom towards the top, creating a neat parcel. Arrange the finished rolls snugly in a large pot or Dutch oven. Cover them completely with your favorite tomato sauce, perhaps adding a little water or broth. Bring to a simmer, then cover and cook for 1 1/2 to 2 hours, until the cabbage is tender and the filling is cooked through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.